Thanks, Jan, for hosting. My name is Thomas Schlegl. I'm CEO and co-founder of Eologix. And at Eologix, we're boosting sustainable technologies. As Markus before already said, altogether, we already equipped more than 600 turbines with our solution, improving each wind turbine, by at least 1 to 5% of their annual energy production, of their AEP. And that equals to a CO2 reduction only last year of more than 67,000 tons of CO2. At Eologix, we focus on the main challenges of blades of the rotor of a wind turbine, as we see this as the main part of the wind turbine, nevertheless also the parts that are mostly unknown. In terms of main challenges, safety, like icing detection, condition monitoring, for example, blade misalignment, or predictive maintenance, like blade failure detection. The first two applications we can already solve with our solution. The third one is coming. And of course, there are many more challenges you see in the bottom, but only with the three main ones, we see savings of up to 2.9 million per turbine, or equally 12,000 tons of CO2 saving per turbine lifetime. So we have this hardware and software solution, so we equip this kind of wireless, flexible thin sensors on the blades of a turbine. And then you have the option, like with a mobile phone, to add apps, software solutions on each turbine, depending what the customer, the owner, operator and owner wants to do. So we started with ice detection. We added heating control for turbines with retrofit with heating solutions. Last year we added condition monitoring solution for misalignment detection and other applications following. The nice thing is actually that the sensors are really easily sticked on the blades. They are completely retrofit able, so it is working for all turbines, really all turbines. Nevertheless, if it's new turbines, old turbines, if it's onshore or offshore, and it can address specific offshore problems as well as specific onshore topics. Also completely independent. We don't need any third-party data or integration into the turbine controller, where you probably know then that you need the acceptance of the OEM. So the goal is to transfer the rotor of the wind turbine to a sensor to get all the data out, to have the same, or to operate the wind turbine in an optimal way, and at least to know the same thing as, from our perspective, the not that important parts like a tower or a powertrain. In terms of company tractions, we closed last year with 2 million euro in revenue, and altogether 3.4 million order intake. We are heading 3 million euro, a little bit above 3 million euro this year, and have quite ambitious goals for the years after. We do that by our existing customers and also future customers. For example, OEMs, so directly selling to manufacturers of turbines like GE, Vensis, Enercon, but also through value-added reseller like Phoenix Contact, what you heard before from Markus, and of course on our own sales guys, feet on the ground in certain European countries, and hopefully soon also in North America. Compared to our competitors, it's always good to rely on independent studies, and what you see here, it's much too much text, but for example, compared to 3 other competitors, we are the only ones having over 3 years 100% availability, 2 times lower downtime than the average of the competitors, meaning that's directly profit for the operator and owner, and also reduction, more green energy out of the wind industry, of the wind turbines. We want to raise 6 million euros in the next round to further develop the product roadmap and also do a market expansion to the rest of Europe and North America. So if you're interested and want to join our great solution, a great team of 22 highly motivated people, a great one great investor, Phoenix Contact Innovation Ventures, just come to me, talk to me afterwards, maybe at the dinner in the evening, and let's boost sustainable technologies together. Thank you very much.